Meaning of hankering.
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 Hankering. Hankering refers to a strong desire or longing for something, typically something that is out of reach or unattainable. It can be a persistent feeling that one cannot seem to shake off and may relate to a yearning for a particular food, person, place or experience. This term often connotes a sense of nostalgia or sentimentality towards the object of desire. However, it is important to distinguish between a harmless hankering and an unhealthy obsession, as the latter can lead to negative consequences in one's life.